I would say when we're talking about our bodies, don't worry, we're not going there. But when we talk about our bodies and things that we need to do to make sure that they maintain their utmost health, one of the most important things, without a doubt, would be our teeth. Because without them, everything else just goes to, you have a lot of problems trying to keep everything else in check. Here to talk about teeth and dental services and allaying your natural fears about sharp, pointy objects going into your mouth is Dr. Lila and Dr. Anna from A New Smile Dental, located on Camp Plenty Road, almost next door to the radio station here. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
And we were talking about some of the services you do offer, and one of the things that you were saying, Dr. Anna, is about for those who do have that fear, you do offer what do you call the sleep service, for lack of a better term? What is that, the official term?
Sleep dentistry?
Sleep dentistry.
Or conscious sedation.
The official medical terminology. This is really important. And we talk about good dental hygiene, not only as I mentioned off the air about making sure, especially if you are in a position professionally so that you do not offend, but overall, we're talking about how dental health is actually affects your overall health. Is that right?
That is absolutely correct. You see your dentist, hopefully you see your dentist, more than you see your primary care physician. And a lot of times we are able to pick up on the beginnings of a lot of things that are happening in the rest of your body. So it's a gateway that we can see and diagnose stuff. So before anything becomes serious, we can direct you in the right direction to take care of it, besides giving you a beautiful smile.
Exactly, and really important, because a tooth infection and abscess can lead to all kinds of other problems, as we know. And this leads to the other thing, and you talk about preventive care and maintenance. How often should we go to the dentist to have our teeth cleaned?
For most people, it's once every 6 months. If you haven't been to the dentist or you have gum disease, it is more often than that. But for most people, it's once every 6 months.
This is a question that comes up a lot. You know what? I brush every day. I floss every day. My teeth feel good. I don't have any problems. Why do I need to go to the dentist?
So what we look for as dentists is different than what you feel in your mouth. The beginnings of a cavity are very small. You don't feel anything. You don't see any dark spots. You don't have any sensitivity. That's when we want to take care of it. Before it becomes a problem, before it involves a crown, a root canal, which everyone hates that word. When we say it, everyone cringes.
I just cringed.
I did too. Before it becomes anything major, we want to take care of it. It's so much easier. It's more cost effective to take care of it before it becomes a big deal.
Exactly. Now, we talk about tooth cleaning. We talk about preventive maintenance. We also talk about you have a concierge program for teeth whitening, correct?
I'm going to let Dr. Anna take over on that one because she is our expert on that.
Well, actually, it's called the Smiles Club.
The Smiles Club.
Yes.
Okay.
One of the most often questions that we get from our patients or people in general is if we take, what kind of insurances we take. Well, we take all of them. We take, we're preferred providers for most of the insurances. But if you don't have insurance, we have a financing program in-house. So you come in and we take care of it.
Outstanding. And that's important because a lot of people are really worried about the cost of dentistry, the cost of going to the dentist, and I can't afford it, or can I make payments? And that's really important because we talk about that good health. That's the gateway to so many other things that could be prevented. So you were also talking, Dr. Anna, about getting out in the community. As part of the members of the Chamber of Commerce, you go out and talk to businesses about good oral hygiene.
Yes, this is something very important that we're trying to promote because we're trying to make everyone aware of the importance of having a good oral health and how it's going to impact the rest of your body, because everything's related in our body, of course. And like you said, an infection is going to be impacting the rest of our body as well. So we want to make people aware of the importance. Now, this shows also that your employee cares, because you're providing an extra service to your employees, and it's cost-free from our end. So it's something that you can use definitely.
And that's perfect. A new Smile Dental located 27209 Camp Plenty Road. They are in the building right next to ours. So if you know where the radio station is, and you actually see them from Camp Plenty, they're right on the corner at Camp Plenty and Soledad. Very easy to find. Isn't there a big tooth on is a big tooth, a big apple?
It's an
Big
apple.
A big apple, the big Apple logo, of course. So, and that is awesome. All full service dentistry, taking care of all of your needs, and get in early. So, because nobody wants a root canal, and don't think that that whiskey and the Ativan is going to take care of that tooth problem either. You want to really go in and get it taken care of correctly. Dr. Lila, Dr. Anna, thank you so much for stopping by. Oh, and don't forget, you can check out their website, A New Smile Dental.com, and they've got great articles about things like the most recent ones about dental bridges, dental fillings, and teeth whitening, and more. And do not attempt this at home. I'm going to read that because I'm really curious as to what you think, what you should not do at home. Do not, just in general, aside from toothbrushing and flossing, is it safe to say don't do any other type of dentistry at home?
That's a very good safe bet.
Don't pull your own teeth.
Don't pull your own
Please.
teeth.
Definitely.
Oh my
Don't
God.
crazy glue anything in your mouth.
Do people do that?
They
Yes.
actually do.
Yes.
Crazy glue. Wow.
And we cringe.
What do you think? What happens? I could spend a whole other 10 minutes on that. But thank you so much for stopping by,
Thank
and
you.
good luck and continued success.